Click on the link below to get price. The Kids Electric Dirt Bike with LED safety lights and 3-speed parent control is a fantastic choice for young thrill seekers eager to explore the outdoors. Designed for children aged 8 and up, this electric dirt bike combines fun, safety, and performance, making it an ideal introduction to off-road biking. One of the standout features is the 3-speed parent control mechanism, allowing caregivers to adjust the maximum speed according to their child's skill level. This feature is particularly valuable for beginners, as it enables parents to provide a controlled learning environment, gradually increasing speed as the child gains confidence and experience. The bike can reach a maximum speed of around 15 miles per hour, which is exhilarating yet manageable for young riders. Safety is a primary concern for any parent, and this electric dirt bike does not disappoint. The inclusion of LED safety lights enhances visibility, making nighttime rides safer while also adding an element of style. Additionally, the sturdy frame and high traction tires ensure a stable ride over various terrains, from dirt trails to grassy lawns. The battery life is commendable, boasting a 24V rechargeable system that provides up to 40 minutes of continuous riding on a single charge. This is ample time for kids to enjoy their adventure without frequent interruptions. The bike's lightweight design also makes it easy for kids to maneuver and handle, promoting independence as they learn to ride. Another admirable aspect is the bike's overall durability. Constructed with robust materials, it withstands the bumps and scrapes that come with off-road riding. Moreover, the vibrant colors and sleek design appeal to kids, making it a desirable toy rather than just a mode of transportation. In conclusion, the Kids Electric Dirt Bike with LED safety lights and 3-speed parent control presents an excellent mix of safety, performance, and fun. It is an ideal investment for parents looking to introduce their children to the joys of dirt biking while ensuring their safety and enjoyment.